square root. Second question. Square root second question. Okay. Under square root second question, the question is find the square roots of the following products. Okay, when you are to do this, under this, now first question is square root of 729. Okay, straight away we can't find the square root of 729. So first of all we have to do the prime factorization. So we have to keep on dividing 729 by prime factors. What is the least prime number? That's an even number. The only even prime factor. What is that? 2. And odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. So what is the next prime factor? After 2 it is 3. Well, 729, is it divisible by 3? First we will check the digital root. 7 and 2, 9, 9 and 9, 18. And 18 also we can break. 1 and 8 together, 9. So digital root is 9 means that is divisible by 3 because 3 is a factor of the digital root. So definitely this can be divided by 3. So 729 divided by 3. Okay, how many 3's in 7? 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Remainder 1. 2 can be, we can take 2 down. So 12 means how many 3's? 4. 4 times 3 is again 12. So 12 and 12, now we can subtract, so it will be 0. And there's a 9 here, we have to take 9 down. 9 means 3 times 3. Okay. Again we will get 9, 3 times in the product. So here, 720 divided by 3 means 243. Now we have to find whether this particular number is also divisible by 3. Square root yet again. So not digital root yet again. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 and 4, 6. 6 and 3, 9. So 9 is also divisible by 3. So we can divide 243 by 3 as well. If we divide 243 by 3, for 2 there is no 3, so 24 means 3 times 8. Okay, as there is no 3's in 2, we can combine 2 and 4 together as 24. How many 3's? 8 is. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 24 means 0. Take 3 down. 3 times 1. Okay, so here the answer is 81. Okay, after that I am going to try the short division. Otherwise it will take a hell of a time. So we have to keep on dividing these numbers quickly. 81 is also divisible by 3. So when we divide 81 by 3, 3 times how much is 8? 8. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. So there can't be 3 3's because 3 times 3 is 9. So definitely there are only 2 3's. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. So 2 times 3 is 6 means 6 and 8, the gap is 2. And we can keep 2 front 1. So 21 means 3 times 7. Again 81 divided by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So the gap between 8 and 6 is 2. I wrote 2 front of 1. Then take 1 down. 21 comes. Here also 21, here also 21. How many 3s? 7. We get 27. That is what we call short division. Again, we will try short division. Okay, no need of trying short division. Straight away by 3. 3 times what is 27? 9 times 3 is 27. Again 9 is divisible by 3. 3 is the prime factor. Okay, so again we get 3. So we can keep on dividing by 3. Because all these numbers, all these answers are divisible by 3. So no need of going to next prime factor, which is 5. Because all these 721, 243 up to 3, all are divisible by 3. So no need of 2s, 5s, 7s, 11 and those stuff. Only 3 we can divide 720 only by 3s. Now I am going to write 729 as a product of prime factors. That means 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are multiplied with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I am going to pair those like this. Previous session. Please take a look at the previous session. According to previous session, I am following now. There are so many clips. Okay, so go through it, and if you have doubts, please ask me from the comment box. I'll try my level. I'll definitely clear those doubts. So 3 times 3 means 3 squared times, there's also another pair, 3 squared times another pair is equal to 729. So square root of 729 is square root of this product. And we can divide this product like in the previous exercise like this. 3 squared times 3 squared times 3 squared. Square to root, it cancelled. So 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So 27 is the square root of 729. Okay, next sum. Next sum is 784. Square root of 784. Again we have to do the prime factorization. 784 is an even number and that is divisible by 2, the least prime factor. So when we divide 784 by 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 7 to 6 the gap is 1, take 8, 18. How many 2's? 9. 9 times 2 is yet again 18. 18 to 18, 0 and take 4 down. How many 2's are there in 4? 2 times 2. So 392 is the answer here. Again we can divide this by 2 because the answer is an even number. So definitely we can try dividing by 2. So 392 we can divide. How many 2's are there in 3? 2 times 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Remainder is 1. Take 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Gap is 1. Take 2 down. 2 times 6. These are actually nothing for you. This is simple division. So better we will try short division. Okay. So we want to get 196 as the answer here. For 3 there's 1, 2. So 2 and 3 the gap is 1. 2 and 3 the gap is 1. I wrote 1 front of 9. So it is 90. 19 means 2 times 9, 18. 19 and 18 the gap is again 1. So I can write 1 front of 2. Hence it becomes 12. 12 means 2 times 6. That's how we have to do short division. 196. Okay. Now the thing is, I'm not going to divide slowly. Okay, you better check. I'm straight away going to divide. Once I'm done with this, you better check whether my division is correct or not. 2 times 9 is 18, 18 into 19, the gap is 1, 16 means 2 times 8. Again we can divide by 2, hence we get 49. Okay, don't get upset, I am dividing with my speed. Okay, otherwise it takes time. You better check. After once I did this sum, you better check whether I am correct or not. Okay, because of not having enough time, I have to do it quickly. Don't worry. 49. 49 is an odd number. Is it divisible by 2? Odd ne? No. Then 3. 49. We will try the digital root. 4 and 9 together 30. 13 is not divisible by 3. And what about 5? 49, the last digit must be either 0 or 5. But it is 9, so it is definitely not divisible by 5. But 49 is definitely divided by 7. Why? 7 times 7 is 49 and 49 is a square number. So 7 times 7, this 7 is also divisible by 7. So we can write 784 like this. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 7 times 7. Now we can pair. 1 pair, second pair and third pair. 2 square times 2 square times 7 square. 784. Okay, I paired this with each other. 1 pair, second pair, third pair. Now I am going to find the square root of both the sides. Here and here. So we can write it like this. We can break it. 2 square times 2 square times 7 square. Square root get cancelled. So 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. If you check the square number of 28 and if you get this answer, then you are correct. Okay, next question. Next question is 1600. You want to find the square root of 1600. Okay, 1600 is an even number. So we can divide by 2. How many 2's are there in 16? 2 times 8. Okay, if you divide 1600 by 2, 2 times 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 0, 0, 0. So we get 800. So here also, same as if we divide 800 by 2, we get 400. For 8 there are 4 2's, zeros there is none. Again 400 can be divided by 2. 200. 200 times 2, 400. 400 times 2, 800. 800 times 2, 1000. Okay, 100 times 2, 200. So if we divide 200 by 2, we get 100. 50 times 200. So when we divide 100 by 2, it is 50. When we divide 50 by 2, it is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. That is half of 50 means 25. Again, 1600 means 2 800. If you divide 16 by 2, it is 8 and 2 zeros. 800 times 2 is 1600. And 2 400s means 800. So half of 800 means 400. Then we can divide 400 by 2 as well. Even numbers now. So we get 200. Why? Because half of 400 means 200. 200 plus 200, 400. Likewise it goes. Now 25. We come so far to 25. Okay, it's an odd number, not divisible by 2. Now we have think of the digital root. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Digital root is 7 means that is not divisible by 2 because 3 is not a factor of 7. So it is not divisible by 3. But this is divisible by 5 for sure, because final digit of the number is 5. If it is either 5 or 0, we can divide it by 5. Again by 5. Now we will try to find the square root through factorization. So 1600 can be written like this: 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Now I am going to pair these: one pair, second pair, third pair, and last. 2 square times 2 square times 2 square times 5 square. So square root means the square root of all this crap. 2 squared, we can break it like that. Here also we can break 1, 2, 3, 4. Third square is the square root of the square is this. Finally this. Now square to square root get cancelled like this, and this. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 1 is 40. If you multiply 40 by 40, if you get 1600, my answer is correct. Next question. Okay, this is the second question. I'll talk about the next question in the next video.